You searched how to buy shares of LANXESS. LANXESS is a German specialty chemicals company listed on Xetra with the ticker LXS.de, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LXS.de to find the listing. Select the result that matches LANXESS on Xetra to locate the correct share. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart for context in recent movement. Confirm the page shows LANXESS and the LXS.de ticker before moving on. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your LANXESS position will appear in your portfolio with current holdings. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.